In this video, I will show you how to use the SIM card manager settings on any Samsung phone. So let's get started. First of all, just go to settings, then tap on connections. And from here, you will find the option SIM manager. Just tap on it. And after you do that, you will find all the SIM card management settings on this page. First of all, under SIM cards, you will find the SIM cards which you have entered in your Samsung phone. And from here, you will be able to turn off a selected SIM card and the other one will be turned on. You cannot turn off two SIM cards at the same time. You can only turn off a single SIM card at a time. Now after that, you will find the option of preferred SIMs. And from here, you can set a preferred SIM card for selected actions. For an example, you can set a specific SIM card for your mobile data usage. So let's say if it is SIM 1. And you can also set a specific SIM card for your messages. And for calls, you can either select a preferred SIM card for all your calls or you can select Ask Always. And if you select Ask Always, your smartphone will ask you always which SIM card you want to use for your outgoing calls. And after that, you will find the option of data switching and backup calling. And if you enable this option, your smartphone will automatically switch between the SIM cards if the preferred SIM card is not connected to make you always connected to the internet. And after that, you have the option of more SIM settings. And from here, you will find the option called Dual SIM Always On. And from here, you can enable the Dual SIM Always On feature on your Samsung phone. And finally, you have the option called SIM Card Security. Now, this feature basically locks the selected SIM card. For example, if you want to lock SIM card 2, just select SIM 2, then enable this toggle. After that, just create your PIN. And after you create your PIN, then select OK, and after you do that, your SIM card will require the PIN to unlock it and to use it. And this is how you can use the SIM card manager settings on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.